Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the 2022 Lyndale Secondary Africa Day celebration. My name is Melissa Malanzi of Year 12, and next to me is my co-host Musab Adam from Year 8.
Firstly, I would like to begin by acknowledging that we meet here today in this college on the Wurundjeri Nation, and I pay my respect to their elders past, present, and emerging.
My name is Kwang Kwang, and I'm here with Africa Day, and I'm thanking Mr. Makasa and everybody else, as Mr. Wilson too. Thank you everybody for coming, and happy Africa Day.
And my name is Melissa.
We had a fantastic day today.
It was such an amazing day. We would like to say thank you to Makasa for organizing, and our community engagement ambassadors who helped organize this as well.
And thank you to all the special guests who came today. It was really fun.
And we would like to see you guys next year.
Ilondoloze zuhambe nami. Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze.
Today was a great day. We had lots of people coming in. Our guests were beautiful. It was an amazing day, and I would love to have a day.
Five, six, very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, other way. 1, 2. All right, faster. Okay, you ready?
Hello, my name is Beltran Habiaka. I'm coming from Geelong in Northern Bay College, and I enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoyed the speeches, I enjoyed the performances, the African performances. I saw talents in the young students here, all thanks to the organizers, the school, and the support by Mr. Mukasa. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Mukasa, the School Community Liaison Officer here at Lyndale Secondary College as well as Dandenong North Primary School. You know what? A big thank you to all our those who attended the Africa Day celebration here at Lyndale Secondary College, as well as those who have travelled afar. We had people from Shepparton, all across Victoria in general, who really came and showed the support for our college here at Lyndale Secondary College. Africa Day, it's a day that we all need to celebrate as Africans, especially for our young, upcoming generations and whatnot. So for them, so that they can share about their culture, identity, and share everything about Africa. So being able to witness that here at Lyndale Secondary College, as well as celebrating with everyone, it was just full of joy. And thank you, and we'll hopefully again next year, if not in the future, we'll have another opportunity to celebrate. So thank you everyone. Kwaheri, bye bye, au revoir.